happened? What is that on your trunk? I want to know what happened.
I don't know if I'm comfortable telling you what happened here. Do you really want to know?
Yes.
Well, won't you introduce the people first and I might tell you?
Hello, this is on Your Mind is Fine, and we are reading, I Broke My Trunk by Mo Willems.
Do you really still need to know the author? He's practically family now. You've read him 1,000,000 times. Don't
Yes,
you think?
but some new people watch this show too.
Oh, I like that. We want new people. More new people! Maybe my trunk is broke because I was trying to find more people on the phone and I banged it on the phone. Could be that?
You know what happened,
Oh,
girl.
okay, maybe I have amnesia. If I hit my trunk so hard, can I get amnesia? Could I?
No.
I don't know. Let's just read. Oh. Let's
read.
read.
I have not seen her today. Hi.
Can you not fidget and read?
I know how to do.
Okay,
What's this?
stop.
Down! Down! What happened to your trunk?
I'm sure you gotta read a little louder, Squeaker.
Down! What happened to your trunk?
I broke my trunk.
How did you break your trunk?
It is a long, crazy story.
Tell it.
Well, I was playing with Hippo. Then I had an idea. I wanted to I'm still reading. We're on this page. I wanted to lift Hippo onto my trunk.
Why?
Because.
Okay.
So I lifted Hippo onto my trunk. Bounce, sweet. Lifted it onto my trunk. But a hippo on your trunk is heavy. You think?
Is that how you broke your trunk?
No. There is more to my story, people. Listen. Then Rhino showed up. Did I just use this one?
You could put both on your trunk.
Okay.
You know?
Rhino showed up. Rhino wanted to turn.
That means both of them are going to get on top of your
Can
trunk.
you read?
What did you do?
I lifted both of them onto my trunk.
Here.
Wait, one, balance it gently. You gotta balance it. Okay. Gently balance it. But a hippo and a rhino on your trunk are very heavy.
Is that how you broke your trunk?
No.
Put
There
the
is
yellow
more to my story. Can you wait till we get to the part? There is more to my story. I'm reading here and talking. I'm squealing. Then Hippo's sister shows up.
Hippo has a sister?
A big sister.
That means all three of them.
Okay. Wait.
Did she want to turn too?
Yes. She also wanted to play her piano. So we didn't bring a piano. This is going to be the piano. Okay, hold your piano, Hippo. 2 hippos. Balance it. 1, 2, 2.5. Can you just hold it? 2 hippos, 1 rhino, and a piano on your trunk are very, very heavy. Okay. Piggie.
Is that how you broke your trunk?
No.
No! This is a long, crazy story. Dude. How did you break your trunk?
Well, I was so proud of what I had done. Then I ran to tell my very best friend about it. But I tripped and fell. Whoop. And I broke my trunk.
You broke your trunk wanting to tell me your story? That is a crazy story. That is a funny story. I want to talk about your
Piggie! Piggie, what happened to your snout? Piggie? Piggie? Piggie, read.
It is a long, crazy.
People can't see you.
It is a long, crazy story.
I broke my trunk. Then you slip and break your snout. I think we're clumsy friends. Is that why we're best friends?
That's not
Clumsy friends. High five. Clumsy. You keep missing it, clumsy. Boop. Come here, clumsy. High five. Boop. Tell the people, clumsy, what?
Oh, and I did a pig scramble.
Tell the people what?
Thank you for watching us read this amazing book called I Broke My Trunk by Mo Willems.
Be careful, dear. It's slippery.